Okay. Hi. Hello, everyone. I just want to say thank you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. It's such an amazing event. I had a great time today. Lots of learning, having a lot of fun. I hope you are all having a great time too. So thank you for the organization too, to having me. Okay, so Freepik. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what is Freepik first and what we've been doing. So Freepik, since it was founded 14 years ago, our mission has been to help anyone create great design to express the power of their ideas, right? And the way we've been doing this is providing content, high quality content, created by creatives all over the world that freelance to us, and we own the right and distribute to creatives, right, to designers. So this is illustrations, vectors, iconography, photography, of course. So that's what we've been doing, and we've been doing this very successfully. So over the years, Freepik grew to a massive audience. So we have now more than 100 million resources, 85 million registered users, and every month we get more than 160 views in our website. So all these creative people come to us to get and download content. This is how Freepik look like today. You have vectors, photos, videos, PSD templates. You also have 3D typography, etc. And it's easy for you to search, find, and download. But now, since 2 years ago, we've been focusing more on how to help people create faster, right? So it's not only about finding what you want, but it's also how can you create faster. And obviously, this has been powered by AI. So since 2 years ago, we started working on many AI tools. So we are moving from content to content plus tools for creatives, right? So we are focusing on the faster side of our mission. And these are some of the tools. I'm going to be showing and demoing some of the tools that we have already available. This is first our text-to-image generator. Basically, you are already familiar with this. You input a prompt and you get an image. We've been fine-tuning and improving this tool. So nowadays, we're able to generate high-quality, realistic images with just a prompt. Those are some examples. So this image generator last week passed 1 million images generated daily. So every day, 1 million of images. And so think about how many images we are talking here. This is our catalog. It's 120 millions, the whole catalog. And it took us years to acquire that catalog, right, from photographers. So the next tool I wanna show today, I'm gonna talk about today, is called Picasso. So Picasso is another way to generate images, but not only with text, you also sketch. So you can show, you can show your creative talent by sketching and get amazing images, even if you are not such a great illustrator. Okay, so this is a video about Picasso. Okay, so I want to stop here a second to reflect on what is going on with creativity, right? So you've seen how anyone can create, anyone can draw. Tools are becoming, the barrier to create is becoming lower and lower because of AI. So at Freepik, we really believe that designers are not going to be replaced, but we are all getting superpowers, right? So every designer is going to have amazing tools at your disposal to create more and better content way faster, right? So it's such an exciting moment for us. It's amazing, right? If you look at how fast we are moving, these tools I show you, we've been releasing them every other week. We're releasing a new tool every other week. Our team is creating is testing and trying to create products with every model that is being released, right? So this is the speed that the AI is moving, right? So now I'm gonna do a quick demo, and okay, so for this demo, I'm gonna need a volunteer to come up just for a second. Oh, sorry, I'm showing my trick here. Okay, so who wants to come up for a second? Be my guess. Okay, you gonna do it? Yeah. Oh, right. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna be demoing the product. It's called AI avatars, right? And I'm gonna be using her to generate. This is called no training avatar generation, right? So in the past, if you wanna do an avatar of your face, you need many different pictures to train the model. Right now, we are able to do this with just one image. So here, let's see how this works. Yeah, oops, sorry. Get closer. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna say she's a female, and we're gonna create an avatar. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now, right now, the model is processing the face, and it's now. Didn't press that. Okay, so right now the model is processing the face and is generating different avatars with consistency on the face. You can create more, and it's all funny looking style, different prompts in many different styles. You can continue. Sorry, I'm gonna create a lot of. Look at this one. Okay, so this is with just one image, right? So we didn't need to train or pre-train this model at all, right? Okay, okay, back to my presentation. 1 second. Okay, this is another tool. We call this the AI enhancer. So it's basically a new type of upscaler that is able to take a picture that is generated or not and upscale it to huge amount of pixels. So this image has 10,000 pixels resolution. It's 10x, right? It's like 10K. Okay, now I'm gonna do the Picasso demo. Okay, so Picasso, as I said, it's our sketch to generate, right? So I'm gonna be creating something from scratch, and the AI is gonna be interpreting my very basic rough sketch. Okay, so this model it has double input, so you can input a prompt, but you can also input a sketch to gain more control. So I'm gonna be creating an image that my 8 years old daughter asked me yesterday to create. So let's say, she's now in a, like this dark phase. So she likes cyberpunk style. Okay, and now I'm gonna start illustrating. I'm gonna change the color to purple. So as you can see, I'm drawing very, very basic. So let's do something better. So very basic strawman drawing here. So okay. And then right now we are only seeing the same and drawing, but if we go here and start asking the model to use the imagination, right, you are gonna start see how the model helps me with the final result. Okay, let's see now. So I'm gonna add eyes, you see, now the mouth. I'm gonna keep adding maybe some hair. Okay, and let's keep going with imagination, right? So the more I add, the more details I add, the better the model is gonna understand my work, right? Let's add some details. Oops. Here we can add hands. Okay. We can add some details to her clothing. And let's keep doing more, a little bit more imagination here. Right? Okay, and now let's say in the background there is a futuristic city, right? And then I can go and help the model a little bit to paint the city, the buildings. So a tall building here, other one. We can add some lights, some details. So you have total control of the final composition with your drawing. Let's add the moon now. So the moon is shining behind clouds, right? So now if I go ahead, I can add big moon here, right? And now I can add a little bit of clouds in different color maybe. Okay. Some clouds, some more clouds here, right? Okay, but then still not looking perfect, right? Let's keep asking for help to the imagination here. So you see, it keeps getting better and better. And now when I asked my daughter, do you like this? She said, I want it with a cat. I want it with a cat. Okay, let's go give you a cat. So with a cat, right? So let's see, the girl has a cat. Okay, and now something else you can do with Picasso is that you can use a lot of the resources that Freepik already has to help you. So you don't even have to sketch. So you can actually look for a cat, right? And then here's a cat. Right? And you can say, okay, the cat is there with the girl. Oh, that's a moon. That's no cat here. Let's see if we get a cat again. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so now the girl has a cat. And now we can go all the way with the imagination. Yeah. And that's the only way. Or if you don't like it, or you want to have something different, you can always go into crazy mode. And this will generate infinite variations of the same prompt and idea with and without the cat. For you, the more you scroll, oops, my connection is not working now. Here, let me try again. See. Internet is not going really well, but this should keep producing as you scroll, and there is never ending. So you keep getting more and more variations. And then let's say we found one that we like this one. So we can go select this one and then click on enhance, and we're gonna get a higher resolution version for that image, right? Or we can even go higher. So we can go, this is, as you can see, it's improving the resolution. And you can go wild 4K, and that's gonna give you the highest resolution the model can provide right now. So let's see what happens with the girl and the cat. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so remember I just did a very rough sketch, and this is the image. And if you zoom in, there is a lot of detail here. It's very high res. And you can download this image, you can use it for your work, etc. Okay, so that is sketch to generation. I already talked about the enhancer, the AI avatars. And by the way, I wanted to do a quick demo here, a quick call out to all of you who love messing with AI. You like testing new tools, you like trying the latest toys. We are creating our, what we call the AI Partners Program. Basically, it's a community of AI enthusiasts. Scan this QR code, you can join our community. We'll give you access to our freemium account for free. We'll give you early access to all of these products that we keep releasing, and there is access to a Discord community to meet more AI enthusiasts like you. So, okay, what else? There's one more thing, right? So I'm gonna do a little game with you. This is gonna take 3 minutes. Okay, so look at these 9 icons, right? As I told you, Freepik has millions of icons that designers create for us. We are now getting into AI also producing vector icons. So one of these icons is actually generated by AI. Who can point to the one which is generated? Okay. Guess which one? The middle one? Middle right? No, it's actually this one. So the bottom left was generated. This is hard. They are very good, actually. Okay, round 2. Let's do round 2. Which one is generated here? Can you guess? No? Okay, so actually this one is created by AI. So last one, round 3, it's a little bit more illustrative style here. Which one do you think is generated? Is it impossible to guess? The fox, the little fox? Yes, right. Good eye. Okay, so the little fox was generated. So this is just to show you how our technology is able to produce icons in many different styles. So now I'm gonna do a quick demo and then I'm done. So if you work in design, especially UI design, you may have encountered this situation where you go to a website like Freepik or Flat Icon or different websites that they offer families of icons, right? And it's okay, this is the one I want, this is the one I'm gonna use in my project, and then you start working, you have all your icons there, and then suddenly there is a new concept that needs to be represented with an icon, and it's not included in the family. So what do you do now? You can either switch to a different family, or you need to draw the icon yourself in vectors and match the style, right? So it's not ideal. So right now, what we're going to start to offer with this technology is the possibility to, to generate a missing icon. So is there an icon missing in this family? Right? So let's say I wanted a camera and there is no camera. So I can just ask for it and the AI will try to generate for me. It's going to give me 4 different options. Yeah, there you go. And they all try to match the style of the family. So we can just take this and run with it. Let's try another one. Let's try a mobile. I saw there was a phone, but it's like an old phone. So let's try the mobile. Okay, there you go. You get 4 options. You can pick the one you like. And by the way, this is all SVG vector-based icons ready to use on Figma website, no matter what you use to create your projects. Okay, so that's it. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.